Hi, welcome. This is Justin Costello again with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Just want to show you our brand new 2018 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk.
As you can see here, this is a beautiful full light blue hull, stainless steel rub rail, white accent. Trailer also comes with this boat.
This boat is also equipped with the Mercury 4-stroke 60 horsepower motor on the transom. The boat also has a transom livewell. Interior is blue. We also have this multi-directional helm seat here, which is a great feature for this boat. Looking at the dash, you got plenty of open real estate to put whatever GPS system or fish finder that you want. Really simple ergonomic design here at the helm. And then on the port side of the console we have a door with storage. We can open that up and look inside. That's where your battery bank's going to be. Plenty of room for a second battery. Looking here in the front, you got a removable cooler seat. Comes out of the way, you got more open real estate to do some fishing. And on the forward deck here we have our anchor locker. Finished fiberglass both sides. On the starboard side console we have a nice tackle center here that comes out and slides out with drawers for your hooks, etc. And doing one more take over this boat. It's a beautiful redesign, brand new for 2018. Plenty of open real estate on the boat. Perfect, simple, easy to use, unsinkable Boston Whaler. Thanks guys for taking your time and watching this walkthrough video of this brand new 2018 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. Again, this is Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach, 954-783-9555.